right, so we got Dave here. We got Bo, Road Glide, Road King. We got Glenn on his BMW K1600. And we got Nadal right here with his beautiful, gorgeous CVO Road Glide, black hole. It's got a lot of work done to it. So yeah, we're gonna leave in a bit. We're just having a cup of coffee. We're gonna be headed towards Connecticut to go meet Sammy. Got some Beyond Riders blue flannel Kevlar lined, baby.
I fancy myself an autumn.
One's got the same one.
Does he?
Yeah, we're gonna be rocking them. You know, those are club colors, so see how that fits.
I can love.
Fits good?
Yeah.
Awesome, man. Awesome.
See, it's like big enough to get another layer underneath.
Oh yeah, of course.
You know?
So these flannels come in a whole bunch of different colors to choose from. We have the blue and black for when we ride with the club, but I also have a bunch of other different colors. If you guys are interested, especially now for the fall winter time, make sure you check it out. I have a link down below in the video description. And they also come with, you could get it with armor, and they are Kevlar lined. So not only are they warm, they are safe.
In this land, melodies fade fast, but not us, we will make it last. With you, I know we'll find our way through the fallout, come on, play. With every mutation, we'll embrace the change. With you, I know we'll find our way through the fallout, come on, play. In this new reality, we will embrace the change, we'll rearrange. In every challenge we face, you take it on with grace. I try to better myself with steps I rearrange. With every step we take, our path becomes so clear.
We are in Connecticut. We're actually gonna go meet Sammy right now. And then I think we got about another hour ride east into Connecticut. And we're gonna go meet Sandy at Kaplan's Motorcycles or Kaplan Cycles in Connecticut. Because I think Sandy might be getting a bike. He was looking at, since I got my 2002 Springer, he's been looking at an older bike as well, and I think he bought it. So we're actually gonna go meet him there. We're gonna show you guys the bike, so stay tuned. I'm really excited. I can't wait to see it. I know, that's crazy. What's up, brother? How you doing? You got the slowest stage 2? Look at this thing, guys. What do you think, Sammy? What do you think? Looks good, right? With the wheels? The wheel's nice, right? I know. Okay, we got our 15-minute ride to Kaplan Cycles. So he's got a large YouTube channel. Also, he's a dealer. He's a motorcycle dealer, and he's got a bunch of bikes there. When we get there, I'm actually going to make a separate video on his shop and all the bikes there. There's a couple bikes that I actually want to take a look at. He's got a couple cute, cool Buells over there. I don't know if he's got the Super Cruiser there, but that's going to be a separate video. But we're just going to go over to Kaplan Cycles and show you guys what Sandy's buying. I got the brand new Indy Ridge boots on in black and the Power Sport gloves. If you guys need some boots, gloves, make sure you use the link down below in the video description. Best riding boots you can get. Awesome gloves, like you see. They work even with your phone. about another 4 miles, and we'll be at Kaplan Cycles. Sandy should be there already. Hopefully he actually bought the bike. I don't know if I mentioned that before, but he actually bought the bike from Kaplan Cycles. So hopefully he did all the paperwork and stuff, so we don't have to wait around. Pretty long ride here. It's about a 2.5 hour ride. But it is an absolutely gorgeous day for a ride. It's like in the 60s. It's beautiful. Trees, leaves, foliage is starting to change. It's just a really, really nice day for a ride. I love riding in the fall. That's my favorite time. Obviously, I know what he bought already, but you guys are going to see it for the first time. I haven't seen it in person. I've seen pictures of it. Really, really nice bike, clean. Smells so good. We're definitely close. Oh yeah, Kaplan Cycles. Damn, he's got a big trailer right there. That's a huge ass trailer. All right, let's see. Where is it? That's a motorcycle museum right there. Oh, there he is. Oh, you got the Buell. What's going on? How you doing, brother? Nice to meet you, man. John.
What kind of forks are those on there?
It's +2 anodized black forks with K-Tech tubes.
Love it, man.
So it's +2 in the back too.
Badass.
Yeah, what's going on, my man? How you doing, John? Nice to meet you, brother. How you doing?
Looking for bagger recently with that fucking thing, huh?
Yeah. I don't know about that, but you guys got the Super Cruiser here?
Well, it was here last week, but they
You don't have it? Oh, damn. What's up, buddy? What's up, man? How you doing? What's going on? Yeah. All right, guys. So we're here at Kaplan Cycles, and this is what Sandy got. Where, Sandy? Come on, show your bike.
I got it for $5 less than trading value.
That's awesome.
What year? Come on. What year is this?
Well, maybe Senior will know. As he went
It's
through
your
this
bike now. Come on.
It's
What do you got?
2004 Softail Deuce in mint condition.
It is. Wow.
These are mags that are Harley original mags.
Actually, no, they're Harley. They're from Harley, but they're from the catalog. Didn't
Yeah.
right.
Right.
Oh, wow.
The originally was a solid in the back and
Yes.
spokes in the front.
Yep.
21-inch in the front. Everything beautifully
Yeah, it is
done.
mint.
Very
Mint.
pretty much
Mint
untouched
condition.
except for the saddle.
What's the
seats.
color, Ken?
What's the color?
I think
Is
it's
this sun glow? No.
Crimson Sun Glow. I think they call
okay.
it.
And the Deuce. Oh, nice, huh? I have
How many
my
miles, buddy?
7.5.
Wow, nice.
Here, 7.5. 7,500.
Really clean. Good luck with it, buddy.
I'm the second owner.
Very nice.
Everything is all
Super clean.
very
Super clean.
very clean.
dirt bike, all in one, all together. So like
Obviously, you know, a lot of upgrades coming, you know.
Still good
Not
deals.
like I want to keep it as much as I can stock, but I want to do make it. I do want to make it my own. But obviously, custom dynamics lighting is going to come
Yeah,
on.
yeah,
I have
yeah.
a Saddleman seat on the way.
You already got one.
Yeah, but I want something
You want
that's
something
kind of
different. Yeah,
kind of
yeah,
a little
yeah.
bit tapered because I'm going to go
Right.
only one up.
All right, let's go grab something to eat. Everybody's hungry. We'll talk more about the bike. But congratulations, brother. Softail Deuce. You like it? You like it? Yeah? Really clean bike, really nice bike. So I'm really looking forward to, you know, making some twin cam content with me, Cam, and Sandy. It's going to be a lot of fun. right, let's see who's faster. Easy there, buddy. That's crazy. So I'm pretty much keeping up with him. The video will show that's a 114. This is a 114 stage 2, right? Putting out definitely more horsepower than mine. And Glenn just caught up to us like it was nothing. But my bike at 113, it just dies because it's restricted. Nothing I can do about it. But that's how fast this thing is. I would say it's almost comparable to a 114 stage 2. It's really unbelievable. But oh my God, Glenn's K1600B just friggin' flew right past me like I was standing still. That thing is fast. I like the reef blue with the black. Really nice color scheme. Nice color combo. Alright guys, we still got about another hour to go, but that's going to be it on this video. Stay tuned. We're going to be bringing you guys a lot more twin cam stuff. So we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.